Good morning, children. I hope you all are keeping well and enjoying your summer camp activities. Let us do one another activity, that is solving Sudoku. We are going to learn certain rules and tricks to solve Sudoku easily. So without wasting any time, let us start. Children, as you can see, a mini Sudoku 4x4 consists of a grid of 16 cells. Some contains digits, possibly from 1 to 4, and others are empty. Here is an example of a puzzle. The grids can be divided into 4 rows, four columns, as you can see in the picture, and 4 boxes. Rules of the game are very simple. Fill in the empty boxes from 1 to 4, making sure each digit is present only once per row, per column, and per box. We can see the example here. All the digits are appearing once on each row, as you can see in the picture. Each column and each box. Now let us learn the techniques to solve Sudoku puzzle. We will check by using logic where we can't and where we should input the digits in the grids. Here is an example of one Sudoku. See the row, it has one empty cell. 3, 4, 1 are already here. So we will fill 2 here in this cell. See the second example. The column again 2, 4, 3 are there. So we can enter 1 very easily in this grid. Let us take another example. We can see 1, 4, 2 and we can write 3 on the empty cell. Let us take another example. You can see 1 and 2 on the adjacent boxes. We will draw an imaginary line over the cells where we cannot enter the specific digits. As you can see it in the picture, 1 is there and 2 is there. So let us draw an imaginary line from 2. Just see the picture and please see and check the imaginary lines. 1 we cannot enter here on this line. So for this box we can easily write 1 over here. Now Let us take another example. 3 and 2 are there written. Can you see? 3 is written on this box and 2 is written on another box. We are drawing imaginary line and we can see that we cannot write 2 over here. For this box, we can easily write 2 here in this cell. Let us take another example. 4 and 4 are here, and see this box and draw imaginary lines. The box is all empty here. We will draw the imaginary lines and the lines are intersecting each other and only one cell is left where we can write 4. Children, let us take the last example. Here you can see 2 and 1. The box where 1 is written, draw an imaginary line where we can't write 2. So, you can see the box where 1 is written. We can draw the imaginary line from 2 and we are left with 2 boxes where we can write 2. So, there is a confusion. So, we will leave this at this point and we will move ahead. We will again come back to find out the numbers to be written in these boxes. Children, I hope you all have understood these rules and tricks. So, here I am going to give you one Sudoku puzzle to solve it. Apply all the rules and tricks to solve it. Please write it on a paper and send the picture after completing it till 10:30 a.m. to your class teachers. I hope all of you have written it on a paper. And if you are able to complete this within the time limit, here is another Sudoku puzzle to solve. Try to solve it within the time limit, that is 10:30 a.m. and send both the puzzles to your class teachers. I hope all of you have enjoyed this Sudoku puzzle and will remember all rules and tricks of this puzzle. Thank you children for watching.